Hello, my beautiful spice and heritage family. Today we are traveling to Ijebu land in Ogun State. Are you excited with me? The southwest of Nigeria. The Ijebu people are known for their food, their business spirit, and their festival. And one of their treasure recipe is this Egusi Ijebu, which always comes smooth, light, and full of heritage. My grandma taught me this recipe, which made me love it so much. Egusi Ijebu must be smooth, like she always say. No lumps, full of patience, because patience makes the food worth waiting for. And to all my beautiful returning subscribers, thank you very much from the depth of my heart. And to those watching for the first time, you are most welcome to Spice and Heritage. This is where Spice tells a story. Please don't forget to subscribe and join this beautiful family. We love you. Here are the ingredients that make this soup so special. The egusi, palm oil, iru of any kind, crayfish, dry fish. I use turkey. You can use whatever you want. Onion, tatashe, rodo, and my minced spice. All the ingredients will be listed in the description below. Each of these brings their whole story and flavor to combine, which create the magic I really wanted. First, I roast my clean egusi on a low heat. The nutty aroma filled my kitchen, which remind me of grandma's lesson. She always told me, pay attention to small details because small details bring big results. I carefully pick out any burnt seed. This little art of patience teaches me something that in life, sometimes you must separate what is good from what is bad before moving forward. Now is blending time. Firstly, I had my roasted egusi, crayfish, washed iru, bell pepper, scotch bonnet, and onion. One thing to notice about Egusi Ijebu, to give you that powerful flavor, more onion are required. But wait, kitchen life is full of surprises. I realized the blender blade was missing. OMG. I had to pause and laughed at myself. Then quickly grab bowl next to me behind the scene and turn in my ingredient. That is real life. Sometimes you think you are ready, then life reminds you to slow down. The lesson here, always laugh out the mistakes. Even in the kitchen or wherever, joy makes the food better. Next is to prep my protein. I choose to use turkey because the flavor is super powerful. Into my pot, I add my turkey, then chopped onions, salt, curry, thyme, all-purpose seasoning, and cookie seasoning. I mix thoroughly, add water, and cover to cook. After 10 minutes, I open, stir, and add more water. Then I add my washed dry fish, cover again, and cook for another 5 minutes. By this stage, my kitchen is full of aroma. The aroma is already telling me food is love and love must be shared. Okay. Now I pour my blended egusi mix into my turkey stock. I rinse the blender and add more water and turn it into my pot. No flavor must be wasted. Then I add palm oil, cover and let it cook. Egusi Ijebu is one of the easiest recipes to cook. After a few minutes, I open, stir gently, and taste for the seasoning. I add extra seasoning cubes and a pinch of salt. At this point, my pot is overflowing and dripping on the stove. And that is how you know that love is too much to be contained. My grandma will always say, when blessings overflow, don't complain. Just be grateful. Cover for the last cooking. And now the soup is ready. OMG. It comes smooth, rich, and so delicious. Egusi Ijebu in its full glory. I serve my guests with pounded yam and a cold drink because this is not just food, it's a story, a memory and comfort for the soul. What to take home on this recipe? Fam, this recipe is more than just Egusi Ijebu. It teaches us patience, love, and gratitude in a pot. Patience while roasting slowly. Joy, laughing when mistakes happen. Gratitude when blessings overflow. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like this video, comment your favorite Nigerian soup, and subscribe for more recipe where every spice tells a story. Thank you for cooking with me today. Thank you for being part of this family. Until next time, keep smiling, keep cooking, and keep living with love. Bye. See you then.